Hey everyone, I am Design.xyz and I am delighted to have you here in my channel. Join me as I explore the field of architecture, foods, and travel adventures. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon to embark on this creative journey with me and get inspired by contemporary designs together. Philippine house architecture is a reflection of the country's diverse cultural influences, climate, and historical evolution. It encompasses a variety of styles, each with unique features that cater to the tropical environment and the rich cultural heritage of the Philippines. Key elements include Bahay Kubo, Nipa hut. The traditional Filipino house, known as Bahay Kubo, is made of bamboo and nipa palm, or kogon grass. It is raised on stilts to protect against floods and pests, with open spaces and large windows to allow for natural ventilation and light. Bahay na Bato, this is a more permanent structure that emerged during the Spanish colonial period. It combines indigenous Filipino and Spanish architectural elements, featuring a stone or brick lower level and a wooden upper level. Large windows with wooden shutters and ventanillas, small windows below the main windows, are typical, allowing for air circulation and light. Use of natural materials. Philippine houses often utilize local materials such as bamboo, wood, thatch, and stone. These materials are not only abundant, but also well suited to the tropical climate, providing natural cooling and ventilation. Ventilation and light. Maximizing airflow and natural light is a priority. High ceilings, wide windows, and open floor plans help keep the interior cool. Traditional homes often have capiz shell windows, which diffuse light softly while allowing air to pass through. Adaptation to climate. Houses are designed to withstand the hot and humid climate, as well as typhoons and earthquakes. Raised floors, steeply pitched roofs, and sturdy materials help mitigate these environmental challenges. Courtyards and verandas. Many Filipino homes feature courtyards, verandas, and balconies that serve as transitional spaces between indoors and outdoors. These areas are used for social gatherings, relaxation, and enjoying the breeze. Modern influences. Contemporary Philippine house architecture often blends traditional elements with modern design principles. This includes the use of concrete and steel, minimalist aesthetics, and sustainable building practices. Color and texture. Bright colors and rich textures are often used in Philippine house design, reflecting the vibrant culture and natural beauty of the country. Exterior and interior walls may feature textured finishes and colorful paints. Overall, Philippine house architecture is a versatile and adaptive style that combines practicality with cultural richness, making it well suited to the country's tropical climate and deep-rooted traditions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay awesome.